guys, I am unboxing FabFitFun's winter box. I'm really excited. This box has been sitting in my room for like the last 2 weeks and I am finally sitting down to film this. I have no idea what is inside because I don't peep on Instagram because I like to be, the little kid in me likes to be surprised. So this is what the inside looks like. It's very winter vibes. I love how they do these boxes. It's like cardboard, but it's so decorative. There's always a catalog with, what's this girl's name? Brooke Burke. But inside here is everything, like the contents, the prices of everything, and then there's always like beyond that, DIYs and like recipes or an article about Brooke Burke. There's coupons in here for HelloFresh, which you all know I love and I'm already subscribed to. And I'm so excited. So I don't want to mess it up because it's so pretty. Hold on, here we go. I'm just gonna grab. I'm gonna grab like I always do. So the first thing is from Anthropologie. It's their coconut sugar sea whip body cream and it's in this amazing like unicorn bottle. This is gonna smell so good. I can just feel it. Hold on. This is a first. I've never seen any Anthropologie products in these boxes. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm freaking out. You're gonna freak when you see what else is in here. I have an audience today. Dan's sitting, he's not watching me, he's on his phone, but I still feel weird. Anyway, okay, so this is a body cream, but I just put it on my hands and it's really good and it smells so good. Can you smell that from over there? Wow, it smells really, really good. Whipped body cream. It's actually Merici Beauty for Anthropologie. So, okay, I'm gonna have to hide this from Dan. This is actually not hand cream, but this is by the brand Ahava, which is who makes our favorite hand cream, and it's the one that him and I always fight over, which we got in a FabFitFun box before. This is actually a hydration cream mask. Nourish thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask in a rich creamy texture. Yeah, so this goes on your face, and if it's anything like the hand cream, we're doing this tonight. We're doing it tonight while we watch This Is Us. I see you smirking. Are you gonna do face mask with me?
Yeah.
I know you will. I just want to smell it. Their hand cream is the best. And I've never tried anything else from their brand. It smells just like their hand cream. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. Okay, next, over the knee textured, I think these are socks, like over the knee socks. In this really pretty heathered, like black and white gray. These are great for over the knee boots or hunter boots or just boots in general, or like me, I just like wearing long socks like this over my pajamas because my feet are always cold. So these are really cute and you can actually roll them down, but these would be really, really cute over under your hunters or any other boots, over the knee boots. No more space on my memory card, sorry about that. Then there is something here from Bear Paw, which the only thing I've ever seen from this brand are like the boots, like the Ugg boots, they think. Oh my God, it's a whole set. So it's an ear warmer. I don't have anything like this. It's an ear warmer, like a knit ear warmer, and on the inside, it's like Sherpa. I'm gonna put this on right now. And then there are gloves, and I love gloves like this. So they have the thumb, and they have the finger sticking out, and then this little, oh my God, can you guys hear that? There's a plumber here in our basement, and it's like right below me. This is what I get for wanting to be cute and film in front of my Christmas tree. Anyway, these can turn into mittens. You just put these on. I actually just bought a pair like these from Old Navy, and I wish I didn't because now I have these. You just pop that on. So like when I'm driving, I have this, but then when I need to text or answer the phone, I have my fingers, but I love that my thumb. I have had other ones like this in the past, and the thumb is always cut out, which makes no sense to me. And then there's this cute little button back here, so you can actually, if you want to just keep it back, keep the little mitten part back, it could just clip on so it's not like flopping around and in your way. But this ear warmer is so cute. I'm going to Detroit this weekend, and my friend Colette's been texting me that it's literally like a whiteout. So I might be having to bring this with us. Look how cute that is. And I love that it's like neutral. Oh my God. Would you guys think I was weird if I kept this on the rest of the video? So cute, and it is so warm. Like it's that soft Sherpa cozy material that we love in our pullovers. Okay, next is an eye mask, hyaluronic acid from the brand Block, B-L-A-Q. Let me open this up. I feel like there's a lot of stuff in here, like more than normal. I can't wait to see the price of everything. This looks like it's like multiple use. Yeah, so these are little, oh, I love these. These are individual little eye masks, and you get, how many are in here? 5. So I love these either at night or during the morning. When I'm getting ready, like I'm blow drying my hair, I pop these on. Or like this morning, I was crying over my dog that's been gone for over a year. You just have moments. But I could have used these this morning because my eyes were super puffy before I put my makeup on. These are just really great. A nice little boost of hydration to that under eye area, which is super delicate and also dry. And there is something, sounds like jewelry, by Layla Sado. It's a silver circle necklace. It says the circle necklace is the perfect introduction piece for every woman. Explore all of her geometric, feminine, and colorful designs on her website. Cute packaging. It's a very long chain. That's really pretty. You could even gift this. This would be a really cute like Christmas gift for someone, or like a Secret Santa stocking stuffer. I usually am more of a gold fan, but there might be a gold version. I'll look in the catalog, but the packaging is uber cute. Then we have makeup by Thrive Cosmetics, like the cause, not cosmetics, the cause. This is their Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. The packaging is really pretty, this teal color. And oh my gosh, I love the packaging. And it's a twist up, like a gel. Really pretty. I could use this today, like big time. So I'm just gonna pop this in my inner corner just to brighten it up. And you can also go under my brows, which I so badly need a wax. This is just a really good, like universally flattering color. Also could just put them on your hand, apply it just right to your cheekbones. It's called Stella. The color name is Stella. Then from Mark & Graham, which Mark & Graham is an amazing place for gifts around the holidays. They do a lot of personalized stuff. I know that just from my own shopping. Let's see, I don't know if this is a blanket or a blanket scarf. This is a pretty, I don't want to say pricey, but it's a very good quality brand. I feel like a lot of times I open up things in FabFitFun from like up and coming designers or makeup lines, and I don't know them, but then they quickly become like my favorites, like the Ahava line. I feel like, yeah, I've discovered a lot of brands like the Ahava, which is like my favorite hand cream, but there is also a really good mix of like really well-known designers and brands, like Kate Somerville's been in past boxes, and now Mark & Graham. So wow, this is a huge scarf. It is so loud, and I hope that is being blocked out by my camera. This is a huge, 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 wide scarf. It almost, to me, looks more like a blanket. Let me just stand up and back up so you can see. So there's one end. This is the other end, and look how wide it is. I would totally use this as a blanket. I love the neutral gray. It'll go with anything, especially my wool gray coat, but it'll also look really nice on my couch as decor. I don't know what this is, but I think it's some kind of like weight thing. So this is where Brooke Burke comes in. This is body, oh my God. Are we serious with that? So these are discs, they look like frisbees. I have no idea what this is. This is Body by Brooke Burke. I had no idea that she even had her own line. I need to look in this book because I have no idea what these things are. Stand by, please. Look how pretty the editorial stuff is too, by the way. Look how cute with the socks. Exactly what I was talking about. Hey Brooke, tell me how to use these things. They look like frisbees. I just turned the page. It says we did it. We're officially at 1 million members, and we literally couldn't have done it without you. 1 million. That's how good this brand is. I didn't even know that, but I am not surprised. I say it every time, but I really feel like these boxes just keep getting better. Okay, so these are body sliders. So there's a workout. There's a workout on FabFitFun TV that you can watch and learn the workout, but they are body sliders. They look a lot like the movers that I have to put under furniture. Interesting. It says follow instructions for proper use. Failure to do so may result in serious injury. So it's a good at-home workout for mamas. Okay, so let me just tell you the value of this box, depending on what you get, and I'm gonna tell you what the options are, is between $290 and $335. The cost of the box is only $49.95, and if you are a first-time subscriber to FabFitFun, I have a $10 off code. It's just my name right here with one L, and that'll get you $10 off your first box. So they started doing this thing recently, more recently, where not every box is the same. So they give you, like, some items in the box are standard in every box, but others, it's kind of just the luck of the draw. It's a surprise. So for example, the throw, they're calling this a throw, not a scarf. It's either in gray ivory, which is what I have, or natural ivory, which looks more like a taupe. Here's the difference. The bear paw glove and ear duo, if you didn't get this set, then you would have gotten a Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. And so the set itself was $45, the mask is $49. So even if you get something different, it's very comparable in price. I got the necklace, which is $49. If the necklace is not in your box, then you have either the jewelry portfolio, which is $48, or Oribe's Gold Lush Dry Shampoo. You're lucky if you got that because I know that's good, and that's $44. You did not get the socks, which retail for $24, then you would have either a jade stone roller, which I love my rose quartz one. This retails for $45, or the Per Be Your Selfie palette for $36. Looks like a really pretty, like, warm neutral eyeshadow palette. The body sliders, if you did not get them, you either have a Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue, or you have these really cute coaster set that look like pieces of like wood logs. Those are really, really cute. Got the Anthropologie Whipped Body Cream. The other box, if you didn't get this, has the Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil set in sweet orange and eucalyptus oil. So this is $24, the oils are $31. And finally, eye brightener stick, the Ahava cream mask, and the eye gels are in all of the boxes. So everyone got those. So depending on what you got in your box, it retails between $290 or $335 for $49.95 or $39.95 if you're a first-time subscriber. So I will put a link below if you want to check out FabFitFun, my promo code if you want to save $10. And you guys know I love this. You can search on my channel for any and all of the other FabFitFun unboxings and reviews and add-ons that I've done. I love being a FabFitFun partner. I've been for a few years now, and I hope that they will continue to have me on as a partner because I love getting these boxes. And this also makes a really great Christmas gift. If you wanted to do whole year pass, you could do it, and there is a cost savings if you pay for a whole year up front. There's 4 boxes, 1 per season. You would save some money, so you could do that as a gift or just 1 month as a gift. But I think this is such a good gift for the person that's really hard to shop for. It's such a good gift because it's a little bit of everything, and there's something they're like bound to fall in love with in this box. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sorry if it was a little noisy and distracting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.